guys, Mac, Two Brothers Tire and Auto here. Back shooting another video. Got some American Force wheels going on. Let's go over here, show you guys what we got going today. Let's go. So today, fixing them out some American Force wheels. Had a good customer of ours, Wayne. Got a new truck Friday, I think. He hit us up Friday afternoon, 3 o'clock. He's like, man, I don't need my truck to be stock. Can't ride around papaw mode. He knew who to call. Fixing to put some 22x12 American Force Blitz wheels on, wrapping them in some Venom tires. We'll unbox them here, show you guys what they're looking like, but had this stuff in stock, ready to go. I think he's gonna come down the next day or so, get his truck looking right. So again, this is a 22x12, it's the American Force Blitz. Really good looking wheel. A lot of stylized cutting going on with it. 22x12, good all around size. Works really well with stock hot trucks, leveled trucks, even lifted trucks with, you know, can still do a 37, do a bigger tire. Just a good all around fitment. Again, we had these in stock ready to go. No waiting 10, 12 weeks on forged wheels. For tires, we're doing the Venom Power RT, 33, 12, 50, 22. This is one of their newer tires. Take a look here at the tread pattern on it. This is a hybrid tire, kind of modeled after the Nitto Ridge Grappler, Kenda RT, that style of tire. Venom line's been really good for us. It's a good price point tire, aggressive sidewall. That really helps the tire, you know, look better on your truck. Sidewall, in my opinion, is kind of what sells it. They balance pretty good. It's not a Nitto or a Toyo at the end of the day, but it is a good tire for the price point. Been a good tire for us. What's up, guys? Billy at Two Bros here today. Fine Monday morning. We got a holiday week coming up here. Cranking these things out. Got a short week. Gonna have guys have some family time with their families this week. Got Thursday and Friday off. Just wanted to show you this F-150 we just finished up for a good dealership customer of ours. So customer bought this truck brand new. Obviously, it's a 21 F-150. He came to the dealership having in mind that he wanted to lift the truck, obviously. Dealership caught, a lot of times we do a pre-built deal. It's already on the lot, ready to go for you know, the end user. This particular application, the customer had ordered this truck this way. He just had in mind that he was gonna lift it. Rather than having to come to us afterwards, it was all just set up through the dealership, basically. Makes it nice and easy, seamless for the customer. We gave him 4, 5, 6 options that we had in stock, of the wheel options and lift options and all that stuff. He picked everything out. We navigated through those things with the customer and the dealer. Got the price point locked in. Everything's good. Drops it off. 2 or 3 days turnaround time. Customer's able to kind of work everything into the same package deal. That way he doesn't have to, you know, come out of pocket right off the bat of buying a, you know, brand new truck. Works out pretty nice for the customer and the dealer. Dresses their lot up a little bit. It's just it works out good for everybody. All right, guys, just got back from dropping the F1 off. Got a pretty sweet little Gladiator here. We're gonna take it back to the shop. We've got everything in stock to fit this one, so we get it back to the dealer quick. Obviously, time is money. They need this thing back on their lot so they can sell it. Got the holiday weekend here, so hopefully they'll have some good sales running into the week. I'm gonna do a small lift package on this one. Nice wheels and tires to set it off. Again, to give it some good curb appeal on their dealer lot. We can do this for you. We do this stuff day in, day out. As you can see, this thing's pretty base. Looks about like every other Gladiator on the market. We're going to take this thing, kind of deck it out, do simple but effective, kind of a budget-friendly deal for our dealership here. Stay tuned. You'll see the end result when it's all finished up. Look like a totally different Jeep when they're done. So just a quick little recap of what we got up here in the top shop. New model Silverado 1500, getting a 6-inch lift. It's already got existing wheels. Not sure if he's getting any tires today. Second gen Dodge, getting a level kit, Bilstein shocks, I think a new track bar, getting some front end work. Not a whole lot too crazy going on today. A couple quick repair jobs. Again, we work on a variety of stuff. We do some mechanical work, front end work. I think this Altima here is getting like some CV axles, quick oil change, maintenance over on the Toyota. Again, whatever you guys got, let us help you out. Give us a shout. We'll be glad to do it for you. Down here in the bottom shop, we got a Ford Ranger getting some front end work, control arms, ball joints. F-250, special thanks to Caleb, drove all the way from North Carolina to get some forces. Another set of those today, 22 by 12. Tundra, and for alignment, again, we stay very busy on alignment. Few vehicles out here waiting to get serviced, getting brought in, just keeping them rolling, pretty much it. Guys, that pretty well wraps up today's episode. Appreciate you guys watching, tuning in. Hopefully you enjoyed it. We're going to keep doing these, get a little better each time. Please like it, share it, all that good stuff. Check us out on Facebook, Instagram. If you want to stop by, we're here Monday through Friday. Give us a call, 423-790-7447. Appreciate you guys watching. Peace.